Good morning. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Steph, the Secret Slob. Welcome to this week's Plan With Me video. So this is my checklist from last week, and you can see I made a total mess of it, and that's perfect. You want to be able to write all over things, make edits, make changes, and you can see like I even missed a few things, and I'm not gonna beat myself up about it. The fact that I have a lot of check marks on here means I got a lot done, and most of all, we are focusing on progress and not perfection. So I hope you found this printable helpful last week, and even if you only got one check mark, that is awesome. So this is this week's new printable, and I've made some edits to it, including taking off the date. I added some extra lines for the routines. I added a menu area, which a lot of people wanted. And then I changed to-dos to reminders. So if you want to, say, put in some goals or some other things that maybe I haven't included, you could throw those down there. I took the daily focus and made it smaller. I was watching you guys on Instagram and I saw everybody was really only using the top line, so I took that second line out. I'm always watching. And so yeah, this is the new copy. Thank you so much for your feedback. It really helps me, and it helps me fine tune it. I'm sorry I can't make it customized to everyone, so if you ask for something specific and it's not on there, it's just because it's not something that everyone was asking for, and we have to kind of make it work for everyone. But you know, you can always customize it yourself, add things, erase things, do whatever you need to do to make it work for you. If you like the free printable and you like my channel, please consider supporting me by hitting that thumbs up button, and more importantly, hitting that subscribe button so you can follow along with everything I'm doing. It really helps my channel grow and makes it possible for me to do more things for you. So let's get going on this week's Plan With Me. I can't wait to share with you some of the things I'm planning to make for dinner and just show you a couple of the things I changed about my daily routine checklist. All right, so here we have our new weekly cleaning schedule with all of your edits. I hope you like it and find it works a little bit better. I've added a couple different sections, changed some things, but you know, let's just get started. So, daily routines. First thing on my list is make the bed. Then I have dress to shoes. Oh yeah, my writing's not very nice, but it's fine. The next thing I do is unload my dishwasher and then start a load of laundry. So I'm putting these in the order that I generally do them in the morning. If you do them in a different order, put them in a different order. Then I do my switch and swipe, and then I'm gonna add this one up here, which I didn't have last week. That's power tidy. That's just running through my house. And then the next thing I'm going to add is put laundry away. So again, keeping with the order I do things. Then my hotspot, that's a 2-minute hotspot, just clearing out stuff as best I can. Starting the dishwasher, and last but not least, shining the sink. So then you could add some other things in here, like maybe I will add go outside, because I've been doing that lately and added that into my routine. But you could add in things like do your workout or vitamins or putting your clothes out in the evening, whatever works for you. Okay, so let's move on to zone cleaning. So this is zone 3. It's week 3 in May, so it's zone 3. That for me is my bathrooms, and I also do my laundry room. And so I've added everything in the detailed cleaning list for you here, but you might have other things you need to add in. You could add those in at the bottom, or you know, maybe you don't have a shower and a bathtub, and so you just have one to do. So lucky you, you could cross one of those out. Not a big deal. Just customize it to work for you. The other thing I thought is that some people like me have multiple bathrooms. I have 4, well, 3 that I use all the time. And so I was thinking what I could do is go through with like dust sills and baseboards in every single one and then check it off. And then, you know, straighten all the drawers and then check them all off, that kind of thing. Or if you have 3 bathrooms, just put 3 check marks. Okay, daily focus. Let's move on. So Monday, weekly home blessing. I just have all the check marks there. Get them done during the week whenever you can. Tuesday, plan and pay. So I have bills to pay, which I always have, so I'll fill that in. And then I'm going to put meal plan. I like to do my meal plan on Tuesdays since I grocery shop on Wednesdays. And then this week I also need to get car insurance. So I'll have to put that there. And oops, that's not spelled right. Car insurance. There we go. Okay, Wednesday, anti-procrastination day, and I have just the thing. I'm going to hang up this guitar that we have that's been sitting out. Our kids are playing with it. It needs to be hung up on the wall, so I'm going to hang up the guitar. Thursday is errands, and again, I'm crossing that out for now and putting self-care day, and I think I'm just going to put in bath because that's pretty much my favorite thing to do for self-care. Okay, then Friday, car and bag. So I'm not really using my purse or my car all that much. So I've just been kind of working on deep cleaning the car. So I think I'm going to wash the mats and the inside windows in the car and just kind of do a deep cleaning slowly over these few weeks. And then on the weekend, we need to change our tires. It's just finally summer here, so we're going to take our winter tires off. And I need to work on my decluttering project. I haven't started yet, so I'm going to put that on the weekend. Hopefully get started this weekend, but I'm going to put it next weekend so it's on there. Okay. Oh, and I wanted to say too, if you are doing the daily mission from the Flylady website, I thought, you could just add that into those lines there. That would work just fine. You could put a little check mark and get them done. And then just one more thing, if you are still doing decluttering, maybe you haven't started zone cleaning yet, just, declutter in zone 3 and just check those off as you do stuff. It works just the same. Okay, menu. I know you guys are probably super excited to see this. A lot of people wanted it. So here's what I'm eating this week. I kind of have my meal plan from last week. I'm going to make up a little bit this week. So I'm going to do fish tacos. I'm going to do roast chicken. And then I think I'm going to do chicken pot pie because I'll probably have leftovers from the roast chicken. And then I have a tofu block in the fridge. So I'm going to do tofu curry. I don't know if anybody out there likes curry, but we love it. And then sticking with freezer cooking, I'm going to get my pot roast out and cook that up. Probably make something nice for leftovers out of that too. And then my friend Evie suggested egg roll in a bowl. It's super easy. I will link to the recipe below. Oops, bowl. And it's super yummy, so definitely try that one out. And then I'm going to add takeout because sometimes you just need takeout and I feel like I deserve a treat. Alright, so on the first version of the Printable, there was an area called to-do list. This is the same area, reminder. So you could put your to-do list, but some people wanted to put a place for their goals or remembering to drink water. So you could add those in here too, and just whatever you need to remind yourself to do, you could put that in there. One thing I want to remember to do this week is transfer my video files from my computer. That's kind of a YouTube thing, I guess, but I get a ton of files clogging up my computer. I have to transfer them onto an external disk. So that's something I have to do. I'm sure your list is more interesting than mine. So this is the end of the plan with me for today. I hope you have lots of great plans coming up. And if anything, you're just getting those check marks and celebrating progress and not perfection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next week for another plan with me.